Good morning everyone, I'm Ruby Campus and today I'm going to perform the adult bathing. So for us, it's the general condition of compliance, then wash and dry hands, then wear gloves, then gather the necessary materials and equipment to be used. The two basin, soap, kitty basin, one face towel, three washcloths, bathing grooming kit, bed pan, four bath towel, bath blanket, patient gown, then top sheet. Then after that, fill the basin with water full of water and check for its temperature. If the temperature is normal, proceed to the next procedures. Then identify and explain the procedure to the clients before drink and lock. Then good morning, sir. Marty, I'm ready for your procedure today. I'm going to give you a bath. So I need your cooperation. That okay, sir? Then next is check the vital signs of the clients. If the vital signs is normal, proceed to the next procedures. If clients have watchers, ask them to politely leave the room for a while. Then lock the doors, curtains, windows to provide privacy. Then close the aircon and fan if necessary. Then after that, adjust the bed to the appropriate working height. Must be level of waist or above the level of the waist. Then lock the wheels to avoid moving. Then open bed fan. Sir, do you want to pee or poop? The patient doesn't want to pee or poop. To the next procedure. Get the butt blanket and change the top sheet using the butt blanket. If the patient is unconscious, tuck the butt blanket under the shoulders. If the patient is conscious, sir, can you might be hold the butt blanket? And in the count of three, sir, I will pull the top sheet. 1, 2, 3. Put in the laundry basket. Then next is get the butt blanket and put it on the pillow. To avoid secretion or body fluids. Sir, will you leave your head let it in? Then after that, sir, I will pull you. Please cooperate. I will insert my hand into your shoulder. I will pull you in your 1, 2, 3. Your waist. 1, 2, 3. And your legs. 1, 2. Then after that, toothbrush the patient. If the patient is unconscious, adjust the head part of the bed to semi-collar. Since the patient is conscious, adjust the bed to the high collar. Then get the other bath towel. Put the chest of the patient. Then get the face towel. Again to the chest. After that, get the bottled water. Then apply OB to the toothbrush. Dip. And get the kitty basin, certificate, and gargle, and then split it out. Do it to 2 times are needed. Then toothbrush the client from front, side, down, and the tongue with circular motion. Then after that, can you receive Squeeze it and split it out. Do it 2 to 3 times or times needed. Then set aside. Then pat it dry. Then remove the face towel and put it on the laundry basket. Then adjust the head part of the bed to find position. Then rise the side drills. Then discard the and place it in the toothbrush. Assist the client to the center of the bed. Then after that, clean the face of the clients. SSWRS. Soap, wash, rinse, and squeeze. Clean the face by the eyes, nose, forehead, cheek, ears, and neck and mouth. Inner canthus, outer canthus, down to lower part of the head behind the ear. SSWRS. Do it to the other side, same procedure. Then next is the nose. SSWRS. Nose bridge side by side. SSWRS. The forehead down to the cheek. Circular motion down to the upper lip to the chin. The figure of S. Then SSWRS. Cheek to the chin, under the chin. Then after that, clean the ear, following the principle of cleanliest to dirtiest. From cleanliest to dirtiest, and do it to the other side, same procedure. Then after that, clean the neck of the clients. SSWRS. Using 5-stroke downward. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Then pat and dry. We can use the bath towel in the chest and the pillow. Then after that, then set aside. Then after that, untie the gown. Put the patient to the side lying position. Sir, I'm going to side lying you. Please cooperate. In a count of 3, 1, 2, 3. Then untie the gown. Then I'm going to start to bring it to the supine position. 1, 2, 3. Then remove the dress from strongest to weakest. So assuming that this is the strongest and this is the weakest. And put it on the laundry basket. Then get the bath towel that you set aside. Then clean the arm of the patient. SSWRS. Make a meet and fold. Then clean the arm from the distal to proximal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 included the armpit. Then immerse the hands and do the proper hand washing. Then after that, pat and dry. Then you can do now the nail care. If the nail is long, use nail clippers. Then after that, do it to the other side, same procedure. SSWRS, do a middle fold. Clean the hand from distal to proximal. Using 5 stroke. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 included the armpit. Then immerse. Then do the proper hand washing. Then pat and dry. Then we can do a benda nail care. Then after that, now we clean the chest of the patient. Get the butt plug that you set aside. Put the chest on the lines and use the proper dripping. Then after that, clean the chest. If the patient is female, use the proper dripping like this. And since the patient is male, we can expose the chest. SSWRS, meet and fold. Then clean the chest with 2 figure of 8 or 9. Or then pat and dry. If the client is female, like this, side to side. Since the patient is male, we can pat and dry it like this. Then next is clean the abdomen of the clients. SSWRS, meet and fold. 5 stroke down side. Down stroke. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then pat and dry. Then set aside. Then clean the foot. Get the bath towel that you should set aside. Then since the water is okay, proceed to the next procedure. Clean the leg and foot. Use a proper dipping. Then bend the leg of the patients. Then SSWRS, soap, wash, rinse, and squeeze. From distal to proximal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, included the buttocks, groin. Then, immerse the water and do the proper meal. Use proper clean the sole and the tube. Then hot and dry. Then we can now do the nail care. Since the nail is not long, we can next to the next procedure. And do it to the other side, same procedure. Then bend SSWRS, mid and fold, distal to proximal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, buttocks to groin. And then immerse the foot, clean the toe and sole. Then pack and dry. Then we can do the nail care. Then after that, put the bath towel to the laundry basket. Rise the side rails. Then discard the basin. Then after that, discard the bath towel. Washcloths to the laundry basket. Then now, sir, I'm going to clean your back, so I need your full cooperation. Sir, can you lift your head and I'm get the bath towel. Then set aside. Then sir, in a count of 3, sir, I will do sideline you. In a count of 3, 1, 2, 3. Then expose the back of the clients. Get the bath towel. Then get another washcloth, SSWRS. Clean the back, 5 strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then pat and dry. Then massage. Then after that, clean the buttocks of the patients. Expose the buttocks. Clean the buttocks, SSWRS. Figure of 8 or 9. Then pat and dry. Then fold the bath towel and tap to the buttocks of the client. Then sir, in a count of 3, sir, I will bring you to the spine position. 1, 2, 3. Then after that, get the bath towel to the other side of the clients. Then get the another bath towel and put it on the waist of the client. Sir, can you lift your waist a little bit and insert the bath towel? 1, 2, 3. Then
after you insert the bath towel, put the patient to the dorsally recumbent position.
Then after that, get the other bath towel and put it on the um, patients. Do the proper cleaning.
Since we're going to clean the genital parts, change the water and the washcloths to prevent the patient from having infections.
Then clean the genital parts. If the patient is female, from mons pubis down to the groin. Do it to the other sides, SSWRS, the figure of 7, SSWRS, from clitoris down to the urinary matrix down to anus. Do it 2 to 3 times as needed. SSWRS. Since the patient is male, hold the penis like a cigarettes, like this. Clean the penis gland or tip of penis down to the shaft, like a peeling banana. Then next is the scrotum, SSWRS, the scrotum, figure of W or A. Then after that, pat and dry. Then remove the bath towel, put it on the laundry basket. Then the bedpan also. Then the bath towel. Naka 3, sir. Please leave your bottles. 1, 2, 3. Then put it on the laundry basket. Then now, groom the patient. Brush him hair. Put the lip balm to the lip to prevent dryness. Put the calming lotion to prevent bed sores. Then put the deodorant to the armpit of the clients. Then after that, dress the clients from weakest to strongest. Then sir, I'm going to sideline you. So I need your full cooperation. Level to 3, 1, 2, 3. Then, sir, I'm going to bring this point to review 1, 2, 3. Then, get the top sheet. Make a chest hold. Then instruct the clients to hold the top sheet. Second, you might hold the top sheet. And then I will pull the butt blanket. In a count of 3, sir. 1, 2, 3. Put in the laundry basket. And put it on the laundry basket. Then tuck and make a miter corner. Then after that, assist the client to the center of the bed. Then adjust the bed in the original position. Check the bed and see if necessary. Open the curtains, the door, and ask the visitor to come in to the room. Then do the aftercare. Then arrange it accordingly. Then leave the clients comfortable. Raise the side rails to prevent falling. Remove the gloves. Wash and report and obtain the procedure done to the physician. Procedure done.